In your Hallows lecture speech, you said this: "We have lost a lot of our civility as a society." End of quote. Do you blame social media for that, Your Honor?
Well, you know, social media does pick up comments in a way that is more rough than the mainstream media would have printed in the past. I think now the mainstream media is tending to get a bit more rough itself, but it used to be it was more refined. Social media varies a lot. Some of the comments are very, very carefully chosen, very well done. Some of them are just, you know, whatever occurs to the speaker at the moment.
Yeah,
so,
you said in social media we are seeing terms that newspapers 20 and 25 years ago would not have printed.
That's right.
Because they're so disrespectful and crude.
And this is just my view. I'm not a newspaper person. I think the newspapers right now and mainstream media of all types have a real opportunity to be the source for accuracy and truth. And they have it because things that come out on social media come out usually without really a lot of underneath research. The newspapers can be sure that their facts that they print are correct, that the time they take to write an article is well spent and the article is well developed. So I do think that when the newspapers pick up a word like, quote, swamp, and you know I was critical of the Journal Sentinel,
yes,
which I receive every day by subscription, by the way.
But you didn't like that editorial.
I didn't like that. Well, I didn't like the term. I think you can criticize a decision of the court, and that's fine. I think that's what newspapers should do if they don't agree with the decision of the court. But using a term like swamp, that came out of social media. That came out of our last political election. And that's at least where I first heard it. And then I saw it in the paper, and I thought they were picking up terms out of social media, and they did themselves a disservice. I think the newspapers should rise above it.